Hey guys, welcome to the channel, the Blackjack Trading. So today we are going to discuss of the live trading that we did on our channel today in the London session. So on 2nd of July, we did London session live trading in the market where we have taken 4 trades. As you can see, this was 1:3. This was another one stop loss, but my every of my traders has the risk reward of 1:3. So one trade was full target, another trade was stop loss, and another trade, as you can see, was full target again, and another stop loss. So in total, actually, we took 4 trades today, out of which two you can see were right and two you can see they are wrong. Okay, so what I'm trying to do in this video, I'm trying to analyze the London session of what we have done. Even I'll be telling you my mistakes as well as to when when the setup was there and I was not able to take the trade, or I have missed an opportunity, which I can see over here and over here as well, and one over here. This was not a missed opportunity. I we completed the live trading around 1:15 p.m. in the market. Okay, so let's discuss as what has happened and what can happen in the future as well, and so that we can be prepared for the next live trading in the market. So if you want to join a live trading, you can subscribe to our channel, guys, and hit the bell icon so that you can start live trading with me and make some good profits with me and learn the markets as well. Okay, so if you have seen in the market, there was a good volatility today. So in London session first, we can see that there was a good volatility. Regarding the previous, you can see session over here, you can see that this was a good, you can say, consolidation that had happened in the first half of the Asian session. So this is where the Asian session started in the market. So first half of the Asian session, you can see there was a huge consolidation that was going on, and after the consolidation, the market dropped back and then finally plunged towards the upside again. So these are the two major momentum that has happened in the Asian session. The price went down as well as the price went above. In the London session, the price actually continued this nature. If you will look over here, if I'll hide the drawings for you guys. Okay, so if you will see, the London session started somewhere over here. The London session started somewhere around over here, and the same kind of behavior has been done in the London session as well. You can see that the first Asian session went down and then went it back up again. Similarly, in the London session, it went down and then it went back up again. Okay, so these are the things that we are actually looking for in the London session today. It was a good session, a consolidating one. If you will see on a higher time frame, you will see a consolidation that has been going on because the price first created a lower low over here. The first price created a lower low and then a higher high over here. So this is a kind of a consolidation on a higher time frame when the price is not making a series, or you can say it is not continuing the trend, rather it is looking for reversing the trend again and again. Now, so how did we take the first trade? So let's start analyzing the trades from here. What did happen? So this was the starting of the London session, and we started our live trading in the London session only. So in the first trade, as you can see, that the price was actually moving towards the upside. Okay, it was moving towards the upside. The price was creating a series of higher highs and higher lows over here. So this was the previous high, higher low. Let me make it yellow so that you can see it properly. And this was a higher high again and a higher low again, and then the price created another you can say major resistance over this area. So from the London session, what was my first trade should have been? So price was in upside direction, so there was no signature of reversal. As to what I can say is that I could have taken a sell from here or over here. There was no such opportunity. As you can see from here, the price was suddenly or sharply moving towards the downside, and you cannot just take reversal on this basis. You have to be patient about it. You have to show, let the price action tell you where the price is actually trying to go in the future. So in this trade, I was actually looking for a continuation opportunity with a higher high and a higher low, but that didn't happen. Rather, the price actually started moving towards the upside only. Okay, so what did happen? We were waiting for a support in the market, and then we were waiting for some pattern, something where we can actually take a buy trade, but there was not. That was not a possibility. The price actually went towards the downside. Now, when the price was moving downside, the price actually overstretched this, you can say, sell leg in the market. The price went really downside. Okay, it really went downside on a great plunge, and this was the first buy opportunity taken in the market, taking out, or you can say targeting the internal liquidity, because price created the major support over here, and this is the major resistance, which says that this is external liquidity over here and the external liquidity over here. So in this case, what we were looking for, I was actually trying to trade in the market and was trying to take out the internal liquidity in the sense, and so that really did happen in the market. So I took a buy from here, from which I was able to attain 1:3 properly, and we made good profits in this trade as well. And then finally, what did happen? Another, in a series of with the internal market created a series of a high high and high low. I was trying to continue the trend towards the upside. It really went up, but didn't give me my according, or you can say my wishful risk reward. Rather, it went just a little bit above one is to 1.5, and then finally dropped down towards downside, hitting my stop loss towards the downside. So this was my first stop loss of the trade, or you can say of the day, when the market actually changed its current trend and was starting going downside. Now looking at the structure, what I was actually looking for, the major structure was towards the downside area. However, the internal structure was towards the upside. And once this leg started creating towards the downside, I was actually waiting for the price to give me an indication that it really wants to go towards the downside, and it did. When the price broke this major support over here, and then finally what did happen, the price actually tried to go towards the downside. So we took another 1:3 trade from here. We started the trade from this level, this candle exactly. We put the stop loss like this and actually targeted for 1:3. Now one missed opportunity was not able to take is a continuation trade. This was another opportunity which I could have taken in the market. This was another momentum trade that was happening in the market, and I had a 70% probability surety that this trade will work out in the market, and it did. Okay, in the future it did, but because I was actually just got out of this trade and I was not able to pick up the next. So these things happen in the market when you're already in the trade and you just got out and you are not able to sustain your mind accordingly and take the next momentum trade or the next continuation trade in a fast pace. Okay, since we are already trading in 1 minute chart time frame, we are scalping in the market. So these were the scalping trades. So this was a missed trade, I would say. Let me mark it with yellow so that I can see myself that this was a missed trade in the market. Now what had happened afterwards, that the price actually extended this sell leg in the market, and price took out the Asian low. So over here what did happen exactly, around 12:46 p.m. as you can see that the price actually taken out the Asian low, from where I was actually expecting the reversal, and the reversal did happen in the market. Okay, a reversal did happen in the market. As you can see, the whole price reversed and even took out the today's current day high in the market. Now if you will look over here, the price has actually taken out the intraday high, or you can say the London high of the market. London market has taken out its own high in the market today. So since the Asian low was taken out in the market, I was expecting a reversal in the market. So I did take a reversal trade as soon as the price gave me a good momentum towards the upside. I started buying above this high as soon as the breakout of this candle happened. Bought above this high and put the stop loss over here. This was my small mistake, because what did happen afterwards, price did try to go towards the upside, but in the series of this consolidation, as you can see, this was a wedge pattern that was forming in the market like this. Okay, this is a wedge pattern, or you can say a bullish flag pattern over here. And what did happen over here exactly, my the price hit my stop loss over here and then started moving towards the upside. So this was one of my mistakes. However, one trade opportunity that I really missed from here was this one. I could have taken this high in the market, or you can say buy in the market, since the price was creating a series of high highs. As you can see, the price was creating something like this only, but I failed to do so again, because that was the again point, because I just got out of the trade. I was trying to reanalyze the market, and when I found that because this candle was also very fast, I can tell you, even if I would have entered this trade, this would have been cost me a huge slippage. My entry would have been somewhere over here. Okay, so basically a slippage, you can say we could have expected in this trade. So this was another missed trade in the market that I have missed opportunity. So these were the trades that could have been taken in the live market, and after that we ended the live stream, and we will going to start the next live stream very soon. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, and hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I'm trading on live. And also, if you have any doubts regarding this trading and you want to trade and you want to have personal sessions with me, you're most welcome to do so. Okay, and you can contact on our WhatsApp number +919258046680. I think this is the real number. Just look at the description as well. Okay, I don't remember the number right now. So what's the major point over here is that the market actually consolidated in the London session. The price created a lower low in the market and then a higher high in the market. So this is a V-shaped recovery that has happened in the market, and this is not the kind of the market that you commonly see in the market. This is kind of a rare circumstances. The price never does that. The price actually tries to do something like this and then this. So this is how the price momentum looks like. Okay, even if the price wants to go towards the upside, all today I can see is that the price wants to hit the stop loss towards the upside, and then the price took out the stop losses from the downside, and then finally the price actually went into its major momentum, the which it should have been doing from the, you can say, from the opening itself. So expected volatility in the pre-New York and the New York session is that the price might try to move towards the upside only, as there has been manipulation on one side of the market. The Asian low has already been taken out in the market. My expected thing is that the price will try to now target these levels over here. So you have to be very much careful, guys. This is the major level that we are targeting now, and this is the another one, and we have to look at the higher time frame to find the other levels. But these are the two major levels that you can expect the price will take out in the future, or in the very recent future I'm talking about. So 2334.482, and this is 2338.663. Okay, so these are the two major levels which we are going to target for today. And also, if you want to start trading with me live on the Zoom calls, you can actually open your you can say Forex account via this link I have given in the description. And if it is not found in the description, you can WhatsApp us and you will be added to our premium community for free of cost, guys. Okay, so this is what we have done today, and this is what we have managed to earn today. So let's see what will happen in the future. I'll try to come live in the pre-New York session after the lunch period, and then we will be try to take 2 to 3 trades more, and then finally in the New York session we will be trading live again on this channel. So hit the bell icon, guys. Okay, and if you have any doubt, please put it in the comment section as well. So this was the London analysis for today, and I've given you analysis on the targets for the pre-New York and the New York session. So let's see what will happen over here and how the market will behave in the coming you can say sessions in the market. Okay, so hasta la vista to you, and see you in the next video.